Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to link Google reviews to Wix website. The platform that we'll be using is elfsite.com, and you'll be able to add the Google reviews widget to your Wix website for free. All you'll need to do once on elfsite.com, you're going to hover over widgets in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Google Reviews. After selecting Google Reviews, you'll simply scroll down, and from here, you'll see the different widget types. So for example, you have the badge, you can also select grid, and you can also select whether you'd want a complete page, or you can select this option right here. After doing that, you're going to tap right where you see continue with this template. Once you have tapped on continue with this template, from here you can type in your business name or address. So for example, let's say I were to type in hardware in Miami. So I'll do that. Then I'm going to use this business for example sake. After you have done that, you can tap on filters. So for example, if you like to only display 5-star ratings, you can do that. Or if you'd like to display only the reviews without text, you can do that also. Or if you'd like to exclude specific reviews, you can also do that. You can also change the color scheme by tapping on the style from the left hand menu option, and you can also tap on settings to further edit it. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on add to website. After you have done that, from here you can sign up for free using your Google account or your Facebook account. So let's do that real quick. I'm going to quickly tap on login. So once you're logged in, I'll be showing you what to do next. Now once on this page, all you'll need to do is you can see right here how it looks. So we're going to simply tap on install. So all you'll need to do now is copy the code. So let me tap on install right here, and you're going to tap on copy code. After you have copied the code, you're going to go into your Wix website, and you're going to tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. After tapping on the plus, you're going to select embed code. Then you're going to select embed HTML, and you're going to paste in the code that you have copied. Once you have pasted in the code, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on update. After you have tapped on update, you can see it has been added right there. All you'll need to do now is pull on the box to edit the size of the template. As you can see right here, you can quickly pull on the box to edit the widget size, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.